Hello, I am going to show my feeding pet, and I have a cows, and I am going to give some food to grow this grow this cows. So because of I am feeding this food these cows now. I am showing this, and if you like my video, click subscribe and thumb. I will very happy. I will be very happy when you click these sections. This is an area this is area cotton area, and this is corner of this area, and this is there are many wild plants, wild flowers, and so also there are some wild trees, and can you see these? You can see these trees and plants, and we can feed our pet on this area because there is no any owner this area, and only don't this area isn't does this area cannot we cannot feed our pet only this area, and we have to prepare we have to pretend this area from our pet when we feed during the feeding our cows. Now I am going to show my feeding or my pet. This is also cotton area, and cottons are very good now because after raining time, last day it was raining this time in this time, and now cottons are very good, very, because I graduated agricultural university, and so I know these. I know plants. I know how to grow cottons, and so I think in this year, cottons are very good. Cottons are better than last year. So, and now I'm going to show my feeding pets, my Angus wheat. These cows have one child now, and these cows also have one child, one calf. This has she has a girl, she has a boy, and they are very happy, I think, eating food now. They are having dinner. Okay, and can you see? I think you can see that there are many wild trees now. I think these trees grow in the in over the world, in the entire world, I think. You can see this cow can eat trees also. This is wild trees, and this is very disgusting. But she is eating this. She is able to eat. I'm going to show next cows. Next cow. This is I have 5 cows, and now I am feeding only 2 cows because these cows are living this area. In this area, this area belong to these 2 cows. And after after this cottons area, there is one garden, and in this garden I have 3 cows, 3 cows actually, and I feed these cows in this garden. And next video, inshallah, I will show these cows also. This is Uzbek national cow, and we got every day we get much milk from this. This milk is the highest in our farm. But Angus cow has a little less than this Uzbek cows milk in milking. She likes eating everything. She likes eating every plants. She's very good in eating. Oh, I think you can see there are some wild plants this area, and after some time this grows day by day, and so some this area's owner go have to get some uh, workers to clean this area. And I think maybe after 1 week he will get some workers to clean this area from wild plants, because you know wild plants can affect to grow in cotton area. Cotton need fresh area, so we can clean to get and pick up this wild plants. So after picking these plants, this area will be very good. And in this area, cottons will be able to grow very easily. This is area. This area is this from this area. It my cows are very happy now. They are eating, having dinner. They have had lunch after before, and now they are eating. They are having dinner. I think in your country there are some flies, there are some birds like this. I think they are very crazy in our country, because they actually attacked every little things. But they are not powerful. But they have many good. They have many ugly voices. It's like it's like black birds. From this area empty, and we can feed our pet, and there is no any owner here. So we every day we feed our cows, and sometimes some people feed their sheep. Now you can see that I am baking. I am going back because time is upping down. Time is upping, so I am going to bake. This is California's trees from California, and I think they are very painful. They are very because they are some people addicted to allergy from this, because of these trees in our country, since these trees come to our country. And there is some channels here. There are a lot of water in this area, but now you can see that there is no any water in this area, because in Central Asia climate is changing day by day, and water is decreasing. So you can see that there are many cottons in this area, and you can see there is farm. This farm is like Germany farm, because in this farm there are many cows from Germany. Okay, my my cow is at going away from me, and I am catching this. I have to catch this because when I cannot control this cows, these cows can eat cotton. You know, cotton is very expensive, you know, in the world. So we have to protect cotton from our pet. You can see there are many cottons here. There are many good cottons because after last days, in 2 days, it rained a lot. Hi. I'll take it. Angus cow is very bad, damaging. Angus cow is very crazy. Hi. Whoa. You can see there are many berries here. There is we have leaf from berries trees, and we give these leaves for our pet. I am going to catch this. I'm going to catch my cows because they are not. They are playful, very playful. So it's very hard to catch these cows. We are arriving in our area, so I am going to finish my video, and if you like my video, please subscribe, click subscribe and I will be happy from this happening. Thank you for watching. Thank you. And I am going to in the last of my video I am going to show my there are dogs here. Dogs. Oh, dangerous, very dangerous. They are very dangerous, but they are playful. You can play game with these dogs. Okay. How are you, dog? How are you? Yes, they are very playful. Can you see? This is little dog, but this is bigger than this little dog. This dog is older. Okay, okay. Very good. Okay. Okay. And bye. For thank you for watching this video, and goodbye, and see you next time, and see you next videos. Bye. Getting milk. We get milk every day from our cows. From 10 liter on one time. From 10 liter to 20 liter from our oil cows. This is enough for our family. Oh, okay. It's our garden, and now I am carrying. I am carrying bucket, and I'm going to bring water to my cows, and I am going get water to my cows because they are very thirsty, and they need water to grow. And I'm going to show this process now. Are you interested? If you are interested in to see my process, watering process, our neighbor's garden, this is. And we have water, getting water source, water. I don't know this name in English, but okay, there is no water here, and I have to pour some water on this. We have some water. Now I am carrying this water. Need some water again. Singaralashma.
Mano men bo'lsa men o'zizga nima olib turaman. Boring molni sog'ing. Ketamiz. Bak kesekkan nima bo'ladi. Videoga beparvo tur yo'q hal.
Bo'ldi tugadi.